My name is Artem. I am 26 years old. I'm from the city of Sumy. Before this, I worked, studied, and lived an ordinary life. Basically, nothing particularly special. I decided to become a pilot because, in my opinion, it is currently the most effective branch of the military, which preserves personnel and helps them carry out combat missions more efficiently. My family reacted, well, even long before I went to flight school. I used to say that sooner or later I would end up in the army, and it was only a matter of time. So accordingly, they were more or less prepared, and my friends fully supported me and understood. I met WeTrueGun thanks to a local craftsman from our city. He assembles FPV drones, and he was basically the one who introduced me a bit to drones, what they look like, how they're put together, and what they actually are. And somewhere within his own circle of acquaintances, he found out that there's a school like that in Frankivsk, and it does a great job teaching pilots and provides solid basic skills. So I made the decision to move to Frankivsk and study at this school. What I remember most are the first flights, because that was the best part. When you move from the simulator to an actual flight, a real flight, those are really amazing feelings. I also remember a lot of useful information that was shared with us and that we later applied in practice on, well, in terms of knowledge, considering that I came here with zero background, I gained a lot of useful things for myself here. Assembling drones from scratch, soldering, I really learned how to solder properly, and I can even say I'm proud of that. I'm good at flying, so basically I have all the skills I need for future work. I really enjoyed the training here. Considering that I came here with zero skills and knowledge, now I already feel very confident and ready for flying, repairs, assembly, and any tasks related to working with drones. I would really like to thank the instructors. Everyone who worked here and taught us are really great, awesome specialists who convey information to us very well. In practice, we absorb this information together with them, so basically, everything is great. My future is in the army. I will carry out the combat tasks assigned to me by the command, and I hope to continue growing, perhaps advancing in my military career. When it comes to those lingering doubts and hesitations, I also struggled with uncertainty before about where to go and how to get there. But the most important thing is simply to make a firm decision about who you truly want to be. You just need to decide what things you're going to need to achieve that. And basically, you just need to come to a final decision about your future. Maybe making a decision is difficult, but the clock is always ticking and time continues to move forward. So you need to join the military, learn, master some important skills, and then effectively apply those valuable skills and experiences in the future. I want to express my sincere hope for all of us to stay together, Plawona to remain as one unified team, one strong nation, and to continue working tirelessly towards our ultimate victory,